Manthan Hub helps to brainstorm towards your goal. Welcome to Manthan Hub. This is another amazing video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about spiritual sex. And next one is sublimation of sexual energy. But before that, I want to tell you, you can see the fire. How do you use fire? You cook food by using fire, right? But you do not burn your house. You can see the knife. You cut vegetables, but you do not cut your fingers and hands. Do you do that? Never. Like this, sexual energy has a purpose to beget children by the nature. Any misuse of sexual energy will cause numbers of physical and mental problems. That is what we can witness throughout the world. Millions and millions of youths are writing to Manthan Hub saying about their physical and mental problems due to overuse of sexual apparatus, sexual energy. So how to control excessive sexual desire? That is a bigger question. So in this video, we'll learn the technique how to sublimate sexual energy. In Mahabharata, it is told that one's appetites are never satiated by indulgence, but are only increased by every gratification. In Mahabharata Shanti Parva, also it is written that fire when fed with fuel blazes forth. Means with every gratification, the appetite will increase. So this is not the solution. Friends, now let us know what is spiritual sex. You know about physical sex. Physical sex means copulation of two opposite sex for sexual pleasure, then ejaculation of seminal fluid. It is called physical sex. Physical sex drains out our body and mind. That is why after sexual indulgence, we do not feel good. We feel very exhausted because our life force is wasted during sexual indulgence. Then what is spiritual sex? Spiritual sex means unification of consciousness with supreme consciousness. What is consciousness? Consciousness means it is a spiritual entity present in our body, but it is different from our body and mind. Consciousness is the force which enables our body and mind. When our consciousness by spiritual practice and meditation unites with supreme consciousness, that is the father of all consciousness, it is known as spiritual sex, because after unification of consciousness with supreme consciousness, a spiritual pleasure is experienced. That is not spiritual pleasure, that is spiritual bliss, that is spiritual being, that is known as samadhi state. Unification of consciousness with supreme consciousness is known as spiritual sex. Without that spiritual unification, individual entity, means myself, yourself, can never be free from sexual desire or sexual gratification. So, suppression of sexual energy is not the method to overcome sexual desire. In fact, sublimation of sexual energy is the only permanent solution to control our excessive sexual desire. Friends, sublimation of sexual energy does not mean making the semen flow from the testicles towards the brain, a fact which has confused many people. It means the sublimation of a bioelectric energy which activates the semen. There is no such duct or vein through which semen can flow upwards in that manner. Hence, while there is no questioning of the semen going upwards, the loss of semen is caused by the downward flow of this bioelectric energy. By practicing this method, your bioelectric energy will move upward and it will conserve your seminal fluid. Now we're going to learn a technique. So how to practice this? When sexual desire arises in your mind, be alert and breathe out completely like this. contract your genital organ towards your belly. Contract your genital organ towards your belly. You should know about Sahasrara Chakra. We have 7 chakras in our body, 7 Kundalini chakras. The last one is Sahasrara Chakra. Be alert, breathe out completely, contract your genital organ towards your belly, close your eyes and visualize your Sahasrara Chakra. What happens? Seminal energy has a tendency to flow towards the direction where the mind is going. Means, if we focus our mind on our Sahasrara Chakra, so if you focus your mind on Sahasrara Chakra, the seminal energy will move upward. Means the bioelectric energy will move upward and it will conserve your seminal energy. The semen does not move upward, but the bioelectric energy, that seminal energy, bioelectric energy or the seminal energy, that will move upward. This technique was taught by ancient sages of India. You can practice this technique anytime, anywhere when you feel excessive sexual desire. So friends, today you learn about spiritual sex and sublimation of sexual energy. Thank you for your support. I will try my best to explain you things in a better way. Keep supporting me. See you again in the next video. All the very best.